Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the cd command. Cd is the basic thing is the change directory. So if you want to change your directory with a command line, so you need a cd command. So how to use cd? Now I can show you. So first of all, I want to change some directory, so I need to use that cd command. So I go to that cd, then I have a var directory, then log, then hp. This is called the absolute path, and the path already changed. And also the one thing is that this is I want to back the one parent folder from the current folder, so I have to use that cd dot dot. I have to back one folder back, so you can check with that too. Now I am with a log, but in previous I with a hp directories. So also I want to change the one thing that is the relative path. So first one is the absolute path, second is the relative path, so that is also I change the same. So the three thing is that first command is the absolute path with the cd command. Second is the cd space dot dot. It means the back to a present parent directory from changing a directory, so current directory to parent directory. Okay, so third one is the relative path a change. Okay, then the I want to see the last working directory, so I have to paste that cd space dash dash my home and user one. That is my the last working directory when I logged into. Okay, so again I go to that etc. So now my directory is the etc, but I want to go to that home directory, so I type the tilde cd space tilde. So tilde is the home directory sign. So now I enter the my home directory. One more cool things is that tab is a key with your keyboard, in your keyboard. So if I use that v, it's var log and then the h tab p, so I can enter with the same domain, same directory with the tab command. It's a very cool things and you can use it. Okay, the one more thing is that cd I go to the home directory, then I go the tilde slash document and ls. So I entered to the document and listed the all file. Okay, file and folder. So it's very easy to use the cd command. And also the one thing is that I go to the download with a relative path, remember that, and if I ls, so I have a white space directories. So how can I enter with that directories? Normally if we enter its error, okay, it's giving me error message. too many arguments. So if I want to enter with a SD test with a white blank space, so first option is tab command. Okay, so tab command I enter with a white space directory. Then the second command is cd sd slash, then you type the test. Okay, the third command is cd sd, sorry, it's double quote, sd test. Okay, okay, the fourth command is single quote, cd single quote sd test, the single quote. So the four option you have, you can enter with a white space directory. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. If you have any related query with the cd command, you can comment out my video, and if you like my video, please share and like. Thank you so much. Have a great day.